Hi, this is Alfred Brock with The Way in Focus, and right now we're going to be talking about Hope Not Handcuffs, which is a program here in the state of Michigan and also parts of New York and North Carolina that's offered by Families Against Narcotics. Families Against Narcotics is a statewide organization here in Michigan that's fighting against the stigma of drug addiction and the use of drugs so that people learn more about it so that we can respond more rationally to it and strongly to it as a family and a community. So Hope Not Handcuffs, what is that? Well, as we know, in the past, the attempt had been to arrest everybody out of this problem. If you even had the drugs, you would be arrested for having the drugs. But right now, that has become an almost impossible situation. It costs way too much and is not too effective. It's not effective not at all. So what's happening is folks are being given the chance that they need to recover while those creating the illegal problem are pursued separately. Transport, smuggling, etc., and things like that. So we're talking about Hope Not Handcuffs, and this is here in Michigan, and as I said, parts of New York and North Carolina, but there might be something similar like this in your area. If it's not, it's fairly simple to set up. Getting people to buy into it and perform the activities is involved. However, once I explain it to you, you're going to see how simple and easy it is to do. So here in Michigan, it's Hope Not Handcuffs, and if someone were seeking assistance right now to get recovery and get into treatment, all they need to do is call 833-202-HOPP. That's 833-202-4673 anywhere in the state of Michigan, and assistance is going to be on the way. Now, they refer to it as an innovative approach to bring hope to those struggling with addiction, and it is an initiative of Families Against Narcotics. This particular document was printed courtesy of Blue Cross Blue Shield. So what is it? Let's listen to it. Hope Not Handcuffs is an initiative started by Families Against Narcotics, FAN, aimed at bringing law enforcement and community organizations together in an effort to find viable treatment options for individuals seeking help to reduce dependency with heroin, prescription drugs, and alcohol. It is a solution to this problem. It gets people from the difficulty they're having to the people that can assist them and into the systems that will help them. Now, how does it work? A person struggling with any substance use problem has three options for getting help through our program. We just heard of one. You call 1-800, you call 833-202-HOPE or 833-202-4673. So that's one way to do it. Now, the angel volunteer on the other end will gather basic information, including contact information, drug use history, and health insurance availability. If the participant has Medicaid or is uninsured, the angel will place a three-way call to the appropriate county funding source for treatment options. So they're going to get those folks in there involved right away. They're going to do it, okay? And once a suitable treatment facility has been found, transportation can be arranged through Hope Not Handcuffs if required. So if the person can't get there themselves to the treatment facility, then Hope Not Handcuffs will handle that. So already what we see here is there's someone to contact to find out about support services and where the individual could go for treatment, and then transport to the treatment location. If the participant has private insurance, then they will provide them with treatment options covered by their particular plan. So another way, complete the online assessment. Go to www.hopenothandcuffs.com and click the Get Help Here button to complete the brief online assessment form. So you can see that they've made it easy to do that over the internet. An angel volunteer will call the participant as soon as possible, which is usually within 15 minutes. So there you have that high service response rate. And number three, walk in any participating police department, and this is where we involve the police or other emergency services personnel or hospitals or emergency departments. Now, a person struggling with drug addiction can come to any participating police department and simply ask for help. They'll be greeted with support, compassion, and respect. An angel volunteer will be called to the station to help with paperwork and to provide support until a treatment option is found. So this happens immediately. A list of participating police agencies for Michigan can be found at www.hopenothandcuffs.com. That's www.hopenothandcuffs.com. There are some exceptions that make someone ineligible: a felony or domestic violence warrant, danger to others, under 18 without parent or guardian, medical condition that may need hospitalization. So these are changing circumstances, and still they'll help you navigate through that to get the care that you need. Since the launch of Hope Not Handcuffs on February 1st, 2017, they've helped connect over 1,400 participants to the treatment they deserve. It's considerably higher than that because this particular brochure is a couple of years old, so it's higher than that. So again, HopeNotHandcuffs.com. Check them out online. Phone number is 833-202-HOPE if you're in the state of Michigan, some parts of New York and North Carolina. And that again is 833-202-4673. If you're not in those locations, I think we've just taken a look at how simple and easy the setup is and what the response can be. There may be something similar in your community already, and if it's not, perhaps make an inquiry at some public meeting or contact your local elected officials. Thank you very much. This has been Alfred Brock with the Wayne Focus.